Today, let's learn about some useful tools we see at home. These tools help us build, fix, and create many things. Let's explore them one by one. Hammer. Hammer is a versatile tool used for striking, shaping, and breaking materials. It is strong and easy to use. Saw. Saw is used for cutting materials into different shapes and sizes. It has sharp teeth that make cutting easier. Screwdriver. Screwdriver is used to tighten or loosen screws. It comes in different shapes like flat and star. Wire brush. Wire brush is used to clean rust and dirt from metal surfaces. It has strong bristles for scrubbing. Wench or spanner. Wench or spanner is used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. It provides a strong grip. Step stool. Step stool helps to reach high places safely. It is small, light, and easy to move. Voltage tester. Voltage tester checks if electricity is flowing in a wire or socket. It helps keep the user safe. Tape measure. Tape measure is used to measure length or distance. It stretches long and rolls back easily. Knife. Knife is used to cut material like rope or cardboard. It must be used carefully. Drill machine. Drill machine makes a hole in wood or a wall. It works fast and saves effort. Spirit level. Spirit level checks if a surface is straight or flat. It shows the level using a bubble. C-clamp. C-clamp holds an object tightly in place while working. It keeps the object steady and safe. Diagonal cutter. Diagonal cutter is used to cut wire cleanly. It has sharp cutting edges. Wire stripper. Wire stripper removes the plastic covering from a wire. It helps prepare the wire for connection. Scissor. Scissor is used to cut paper, cloth, and other materials. It is easy to use and very handy. Now you know many useful tools at home. Always remember to use tools safely and with adult guidance. Keep learning and have fun.